Welcome back to another day at the garage.
Today we finally
gonna fix this mess.
attack this window.
Yeah, we're sick of the sight of this horrible window now, so...
I've seen a budget version of IKEA hack roller blind. So we got our roller blind from IKEA. Plan is to create our own blind.
Kind of like the blinds on an aeroplane where they're kind of tucked behind the wall.
Usually you can get them for camper vans like already pre-made, but it costs like hundreds.
We don't like to do things pre-made, we like to figure it out by ourselves, or he does anyway.
So we're gonna give it a try and see how it goes.
And can I just say, if you're ever looking for a date night you don't know what to do, go to IKEA. It's so much fun.
We had a brilliant time there.
We've never been to IKEA. I've got to the grand age of 28 and I have never been, and let me tell you, it was great.
We had a great time. We literally just went there just to collect this, but I mean they were like, we can't just come to IKEA and not go in. Exactly,
and we had a great time. You even enjoyed it more than you thought, and we did pick up a few other bits which we'll show you like later on. But yeah, let's get started.
So we haven't even unpacked this thing. I don't even know, do we need some sort of hanger?
Oh yeah.
But we're gonna just go with the flow and see how it goes.
Hope for the best. There we go.
Yes.
Oh, it feels lovely. Ah! What the hell?
Just don't whack me with that thing.
Will.
We have instructions.
Those are instructions.
Instructions.
Who needs them?
Our plan is to put this somewhere here and then it will go.
Oh, yeah. And that matches the carpet really nicely, that grey, doesn't it? Okay, now what do we do?
So we're gonna reuse the old sheet of ply that we had on this door already. In the beginning I was thinking like how we could make like a nice frame around and then bolt the ply on, but then I came across with these blind designs. It's gonna look a bit different.
But if it does the job, it doesn't matter.
We just need to fix this on that piece of ply and it should be okay, but now somehow we need to figure out how to cut the right hole in the right place so it lines up perfectly there. We probably technically should have some sort of channels on the side.
I do not miss working in a van in December. Plus this time we don't even have a fire to warm my toes. But nothing like gummy bears can't help, right?
That's still got all the original holes and everything, so we just need to cut the hole
big enough so we can see out of enough of the window.
Yeah. So if we're gonna put this on here, we don't want like our hole in the piece of ply cut bang on like there because the light's gonna go through the sides.
Yeah.
So we want to like kind of cover at least a bit.
Yeah.
So this is a meter, 100 centimeters. So our hole width should be less than a meter.
Yes.
So probably, I don't know, how many centimeters from sides? 2.5?
Yeah, something like that, just as enough of an overlap.
In that case, our hole from that side needs to be 11 centimeters. I draw some sort of shape on the ply. I don't know, but basically what I'm thinking. So that's gonna mount on this ply there, and then you can just simply pull down, pull up. So this is why I said I might need some sort of channels here, so it stays in one place and it's like going side to side. So that's one thing that we might need to get. I'm gonna try to cut this hole and see how it goes. Right, that's done. So now I either 50 it or it's gonna work out. I think instead of screwing like the actual screws through this metal, through the ply and this metal, I don't really want to do it because there's like strings and spring. I don't want to damage it, so I think I'm just gonna use rivets.
I've been very busy.
Warming her hands up.
I hate being cold.
I'll go and drill the holes in there first. I'm gonna line up the holes there. So much thinking. I'll find a way. Right, it looks like it worked out. Right, so that's fixed on now. So yeah, slight issue where the door is very curved. So when you're pulling it down, this side, as you can see, is very tight. This side is fine, but this side is very tight in there because this window comes out a bit in. So I think I need to get rid of this curvature somehow. It also catches on this latch, but the idea is alright. Right, so we quickly popped to Wix to get some cable conduit. We couldn't find anything else, so we're just gonna end up using this. We'll see how it goes. That should be right with what I'm thinking. I'm gonna put some carpet inside, so it looks the same like the carpet around it. The only one I found was 38mm and the width of the roller is 30mm, so I'm just gonna quickly glue some carpet in. So got these two side pieces made now. One should go on this side, one should go on this. And now again, probably gonna just rivet them on. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, it was way trickier to actually complete the vision that I had than I was expecting. What I ended up doing, I kind of created this frame from this U-shaped conduit, and basically the roller shot is going up and down in this frame, and then this piece just literally needs to be screwed on the sliding door, and that should function as a blind. It's not the prettiest, the rivets didn't work out, so I had to use screws. So screws, because the plywood is just 5mm, they come out from other side. I'm gonna have to grind them off. And also there's like this little corner that I'm gonna try to tidy up somehow with the carpet. But apart from that, it's ready to go and test it and see how it looks like. I think we got somewhere. It's functioning. Maybe it's not perfect, but I think as a first try, I think it would be way easier if that would be just a side window and everything is like kind of square. But now, just because it's a sliding window, it's like very curved. To be honest, our van is like, all shape is very curved. So everything's working. The only thing I'm missing out here is some sort of handle to pull it down, and another slight issue that we have like a gap here, so from outside you can see some light coming through, so we're gonna have to address that as well at some point.
And obviously we're going to finish the trim. We've decided probably with some sort of rubber trim, because wood trim was just going to be too awkward with the corners, so that's something to finish. But it's better than a blanket stuck up with duct tape. And obviously today I have been super helpful, and I've got really heavily involved with all of it, as you'll see from the video. All round, we're winning. We've been loads of help, haven't I?
I'm already like annoyed how that straight this line is. Oh well.
We can touch it up. We've got other things we need to do to it, but it's getting dark and it's getting cold.
I'm gonna wrap everything here, and hopefully that was any use for you.
Maybe it'll inspire you to do the same, because Not only do you get a blind and a cool hack, but you also get to go to IKEA.
Yeah.
It's a win-win all round.
Don't forget to subscribe because it's free. Like, comment, I'll see you next time.
It's a click of a button. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. Whoa, 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 I forgot to show you. I finished the electrical wall. Let me show you. Let me show you. Quick.
Try. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you steady?
Yeah.
Look at that. You've smashed that. That looks so good.
Yeah, that took ages. Anyway, bye.